Hello everyone, this is Line and you're watching Learn with Line. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Touch Type tool. So the normal type tool is the letter T on the toolbar over there, and you can just type things out. Um, but let's say the type is just, maybe it's not enough, doesn't have enough emphasis. Let's say you're doing a comic book or something, and you want to just make some modifications to the angles and the shapes and sizes. I shouldn't say shapes, but the sizes and the angles, and maybe the location. So what you could do is you can hold Shift and the letter T as in type, and you're going to get a different icon. And you're going to be able to select each of the pieces of text individually. So first I'll select on the P, and we've got a little bubble at the very top which allows you to rotate, and then you can click and drag the top right icon to change the size, and then you can click any part of the letter to change the location. So now I'll click on the O, I'll make that a little larger, and the W, and I'll just rotate the W a little bit. Whoops, somehow I deselected it. I misclicked, and we can make that a little larger. Whoops. Sometimes if you don't click it just in the right spot, it'll deselect, but that's okay. And now we'll click on the exclamation mark and rotate that a little bit and move that in. And then you can hit the V key to go back to the selection tool, and we can click and drag the whole thing down a little bit just to make it fit inside of our little exclamation word bubble. And that seems pretty good. And just so you know, it still is editable text. So if you want to change the W to a P, you can. So now it's pop. But because of the width of the W, that still has some empty space. So you want to hit Shift T and click and drag on your exclamation mark and just move it a little closer. And then hit the V key for the selection tool, and then you can move the whole piece at once. But that's how you use the Touch Type tool. Alright, hope that was a cool experience for you, and if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. This is Line, and you're watching Learn with Line.